5%. We're living on the edge here a little. It's so fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a summery video because today I'm filming this is Memorial Day, and obviously it is the unofficial first day of summer. I got my workouts in for the day for 75 hard. I got my tea. I am just living and thriving, and I'm ready to conquer the week. I'm ready for the last month of school. I'm ready for David and I's mini wedding anniversary vacay, so let the countdown begin. I've done a few videos like this in the past. Beach bag, I'm a beach girl, I'm a water girl, I'm a Scorpio. I'm a water sign. I love being near water. I love going to the lake, swimming in the pool, laying out by the beach. I just love anywhere that there's water. That's just something about me. I've always loved summertime coming. I'm gonna be living there basically. So let's do a clean out. Let's do another one. And I'm gonna add a few extra things this year. I literally dug this out of my closet. Nothing has changed. This is how I left it from last year. We'll see if there's some stuff that's expired, some things I'm gonna get rid of, whatever the case. So let's just jump right in. Beach bag, if I can still find it. There's so many dupes, like on Amazon, on Temu, on wherever you shop, of the Marc Jacobs tote bag, which I don't care. I have so many dupe bags at this point. I really don't care. So like, that's me. If you want this jelly bag, I did get it from Amazon. I will put the link in the description, or my Amazon storefront in the description, whatever one comes first. For being a dupe, I really thought this was gonna break because of how thin the plastic is, but she's been holding up pretty well, and I really like her, and I love that she's see-through, she's jelly, she doesn't get dirty. My two go-tos, sunscreen and a bug spray, so we'll see if these are still good. Where's the bug spray go bad? I feel like it does. I do like this one. This is the Cutter Skinsations Insect Repellent. The off one's okay. I have a whole bunch of off, which I'll probably end up using, but the one that I'm currently using is like a natural one. I'll try to find a picture of it and put it here. It's just in my bathroom and I'm too lazy to go get it. I really like that one. Cutter's is really good too. There's just something about off-brand. I just spit. Okay, cool. It just like makes my skin really hot, and I just don't like that. I just don't like the feeling of the off one on me. I can tolerate this one. I can tolerate the other one that I'm using that's like all natural. Not expired yet. This expires in 1 more year, so I'm gonna keep this in my bag. This is the Up and Up Sport Sunscreen Spray. This is a, wow, can't talk. Hello. This is a dupe. It's fine. This is a knockoff of the Copper Tone one. A lot of people are just like up in arms about sunscreen. There's a lot of bad stuff in sunscreen, which I never really realized before. But I've always used Copper Tone. I've always used Up and Up. They've been good to me. I obviously love the Coola brand one, even though it's more expensive. But Up and Up is always very good. And this is a reef conscious formula, and it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. If there's one thing I've learned the last few years, especially being an adult, reapply your sunscreen. Reapply it every hour and a half, every 2 hours, reapply it. You think I'm crazy? Wait till you get that burn, baby. It's not gonna be playing with you. Forget about these little bags I have. My little Lisa Frank bag. I think this is all like my little, like, essentially things. I've got wet ones and used wet ones in here, so we're gonna clean that out. That's really gross. Makeup remover wipes that I've had in here for God knows how long. We need some. Oh, it's the scent. This is the discontinued Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana scent. I personally really love this scent a lot. We're gonna just go and hoard this, and I'll put a different one in here. It's staying with me, but in here I have a sanitizer. I have an extra charger cord sanitizer, a frosted coconut sanitizer, because again, you never know. People be gross. You go to beach bathrooms, ladies and gentlemen. No. Wet bag, obviously. I'll also put my change of clothes in here and just, like, you know, transfer it out once I put my bathing suit in here. But I've had this for years. It's from Victoria's Secret. It was like a free with purchase thing years ago. If you know, you know. If you've been here from that era of Sam when she was obsessed with Victoria's Secret, yeah. So this was classified by my husband as being one of the dumbest things I've ever bought for the beach in my entire life. However, I don't care. I don't care. She came in handy when she needed to. This is a cute little baby beach umbrella, okay? And it comes with this cute little suction guy, and what you do is you basically put it right in there, and your phone has a cute little umbrella so it won't get overheated, and you can see what you're doing, and it's just so cute. And you can use this for other stuff too. I don't know what. That's why I bought it, and it's just super cute, and I don't care if it looks dumb, and I don't care if I look dumb either, because it's just you know what? My phone's not gonna overheat, so what else do I have in here? I don't even remember, which is the fun part. Bug bite things. I bought like a 2-pack of them. I don't remember from where. But basically, if you have a bug bite, which, hello, I'm prone to getting mosquito bites, so I must have that blood type that mosquitoes are obsessed with, because all of my life, mosquito bites everywhere. It's just a thing. It's just a thing. It's awful and I hate it. Instead of using cortisone cream or anything, you can put this right over the bite and it suctions it, and it's out, and it sucks all of the stuff out of it. So then when you take it off, all of the the venom is out of you. I've only used this once. I don't know if it really worked or not, but we have it. So that's a backup in case the bug spray don't work. I got an extra strap for my beach bag that I've never had to use. Might have to this year. Don't know yet. I have quite a few of these speakers. I have like so many mini speakers. I don't know what's going on. I have this cute little one that I got from Target years ago. Basically, you could Bluetooth this to your phone or whatever, listen to music. I love this, and I love that it's a little like suction cup. I think this is supposed to be for like a shower, but like I don't care. So it just has like all the buttons. Oh man. We're gonna have to get rid of this. This, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh, what is it called? The Fox Tan stuff. I'll put a picture of it here. I've bought it the last few years and I've really loved it as like a tanning accelerator on top of my sunscreen. I never use it by itself because I don't want to burn. I don't want to do that. I've used tanning oil in the past. If you've been here from the beginning, you know I used to be obsessed with tanning oil and just use that. Or I used to just not use sunscreen at all. Bad influence. Do as I say, not as I do. But this was something that I would put obviously on top, and I put it in this spray bottle so I get like a more even mist, so I didn't have to like rub it in so much. But obviously she's seen better days, so she's probably gonna get rinsed out, and we're gonna put my Maui Babe stuff in there. Some of the beachy stuff I bought I'm gonna throw in here too. A cap to a leave-in conditioner probably, which I'm definitely gonna throw in here. I have a claw clip because I'm obsessed with claw clips. That's all I use in my hair now. When you're at the beach, like, and you want to push your hair up, use a claw clip. Or even better yet, just wear a hat or just put leave-in conditioner in your hair, especially if you're blonde. I never realized how much the sun really damages your hair until mine all broke off last summer and the summer before that, and I just thought, oh, it's fine. That's just what happens. No, that's not just what happens. I mean, it does. A little bit more preventative and maybe it wouldn't happen so much. I don't know what I'm saying. I feel a little delusional. I have another bag of things for my face. I don't know if this is still good, so let's read the... Ooh, it expired, so bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. I usually put my face sunscreen on at home anyway, so I might just not. I don't know. Maybe I'll just buy another one. I don't know. I have a Copper Tone Glow with Shimmer SPF in here if I want to use this one. This already expired, so goodbye. Little tiny travel wet brush. Hairbrush for my hair. That's disgusting. I don't even know what that is on there, but that pad's discolored, so we're not using that. I have a couple, you know, pads in here. I have a leave-in conditioner. This is the Wee Way, I don't know what you want to call it, in there. So I think we'll keep this. I don't think this 12 months. I don't know. We'll smell it and we'll see what happens. And then, of course, as always, aloe vera. I feel like aloe really doesn't go bad, to be honest. I've had these, I have so many in my fridge. I have one with me everywhere we go. I take it on vacation with David and I because guaranteed one or both of us is going to have really bad suntans. Yep, you need this when you tan. Yep, you definitely do that. No, really bad sunburns. So this is from Dollar Tree. I've had these for years. I always stock up on these, which has been a while. So if you guys want a Dollar Tree haul, I know someone commented like I should go to Dollar Tree. I definitely should. Haven't in a long time. Pocket, I have both of my little chapsticks I bought last year that have SPF, the Aquaphor one that I really like. This one's good till December, so we're keeping her, and this one is good also until December. This one's just a colored one from Sunbum that I do like this one, but to be honest, if I'm gonna wear one, I just will wear the Aquaphor one just to protect my lips because my lips get so dried out. Oh my gosh, never realized that either until, you know, a few years ago as you get older. I'm gonna go grab a few things. We're gonna clean this out and I'll come back and we'll just show you guys the final results. Maybe I'll use new bags this year. I don't know. I am a creature of habit. Okay, and we're back. So I just reached for a few things and I've decided I am going to replace one of these bags just because I think it's gonna be the Joico bag because I did get this Sol de Janeiro bag. So I want to use it. Okay, and I probably will replace the pads that are in here too because they're currently really old. So we'll do that. Our aloe is going to go in here. I'm saving this forever. this is like discontinued now. Like, no, bye. That's mine. Garbage. I don't know what that goes to. Currently, I cannot find another leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to keep the Way one in here just for now until I can get another one or find another one in my stash already. I'm going to throw the Maui Babe Browning Lotion. This is new this year. No more fox tan. I do love the fox tan stuff though, but I don't know. I wanted to change, and I've seen the results in some girls and it's like so much better. So hopefully that works out well. And then as I tease, this is like my I like this stuff. This is the Pari Rose Gold Sun Shield Body Glow SPF 45, which has UVA, UVB, and para-free, PABA-free. Sorry, broad spectrum. I don't know what that means, but it's shimmery and it's pretty. So we're gonna throw it in there. And to be extra psycho, I'm gonna throw in another bottle of sunscreen along with the one I already have, because I can't begin to tell you guys how many times David and I have gone to the beach or I got to the lake and I had no sunscreen. Like, I ran out right there and then that was it. Had to use my face sunscreen all over my body, like whatever I had to do. So for now, we're just gonna stick with having as many bottles, multiple bottles in there as possible. I'm still keeping my bug spray, obviously, because you never know. For body spray, I'm gonna actually put in here the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Shimmer Fragrance Mist, which it says you can use all over your hair and body. Fun fact, never sprayed this. Okay, now watch it like not work. Oh, there we go. It smells really nice. I need hairbrush as usual. Hair clip in here. I'm going to put this with my extra cord. Face mask in there. Brand spanking new sanitizer, because I feel like the one that I have in here is, you know, you can tell after a while when it goes bad, it starts getting watery. So we're going to toss that. We're going to open up our Mango Tango. I think that's a... Oh, nothing like opening it. That smells really nice. So I'm going to put that in there. I do want to eventually put wipes in here and stuff. Right now I just don't have any. I think that's where we're at so far. So I'm just going to throw all these bags in. To be honest, I probably don't even need like this bag. I could probably just, you know what? We're just going to throw it all. We're going to throw it all in one bag. I always have extra face masks with me because I know COVID is technically over in the United States, but like, you know, there's still some places like small businesses that still want to keep up their mandates or whatever. No, I'll just keep it just in case. It's come in handy quite a few times. And I think I'm going to put the sanitizer in the pocket. I'm going to put the cord in the pocket too, just in case. I usually have my extra external battery. So either that one or the magnet one from Velvet Caviar I bought that magnetizes to my phone, I'll put in there as well. Right there too, just in case. Easy to grab if I need it. I've decluttered so much already. This is crazy. We've got a bag. Only one bag. That's crazy. Because to be honest with you guys, I probably don't need as much stuff as I carry, but I like to be prepared and not run out of sunscreen. So I have a Kula. Got all my stuff in here. My little mini umbrella for my phone. And I think the most important thing, something that I've been doing this year since the beginning of 2023, is reading. I've really been into reading. Doing the 75 Hard Challenge, I've been reading as well. So I've dug back into like my high school self. Hi, so my camera died. Anyways, as I was saying, I'll have to like give a shout out to all my coworkers for this because they're reading the Colleen Hoover books. I don't get the hype. You guys know I'm not a hype girl. I don't fall into hype like that. That's just not my vibe. But what does fit my vibe is, okay, so back in high school, maybe even before that, I think it was like 8th grade or something, I borrowed them at the library randomly because I was looking for like a book or something to read. I don't know. This was like years and years ago. It was called Little Bitty Lies. Highly recommend. Love that book. Mary Kay Andrews is an incredible writer. I love her books. I also own Hissy Fit, which is also an incredible book. Highly recommend. While I was scanning the book section, if you guys saw my vlog like from a while ago, I found a couple of her books. She still writes, guys. And I have all of them saved on Amazon. I'm going to buy them all because I'm crazy. I really want to get back into reading. So I think when I'm at the lake and when I'm just, you know, chilled out, I'm at the beach on vacation, this is what I'm going to be doing. So I got 2 books, The Newcomer and The Homewrecker. So let me know in the comments which book you guys think I should start reading first when David and I go on our vacation, because on the beach, I'm going to be reading. I'm going to try and read the best that I can and not listen to so much music. I find that when I listen to a lot of my music, I just get in my own head about certain things, or certain songs remind me of things. You get it. It's just a whole thing. I really want to get back into reading. I do miss it a lot. It used to be something I used to do when I was grounded all the time when I lived in Maine too. Fun fact, my dad would ground me for like a week or a month or something. I would just sit in my room and read my books. I'd read a book a day. Like, okay, like you're gonna ground me, fine. I'll just read and go somewhere else. Like, what are you gonna do? That is cleaning out my beach bag. This is what she's looking like now. She's a little bit smaller than last year, but you know, we'll see. We'll see how long that lasts. Like I said, I like to be prepared for everything because you just never know. And I probably, again, will end up adding like an external battery and obviously towel and all that stuff too. This is what it is. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super excited it's starting to become summer, and I am feeling a lot happier when it's summer out and when it's fall. Like, those are like my favorites. Obviously, Scorpio sun, Virgo moon, Taurus rising. So obviously I love both seasons. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on the bell notification to know when the I post a new video. I'm trying to get back into 2 a week. We'll see how that goes. Like I said, I gotta focus on myself more and stop worrying about things. And I'm finally finding a balance with 75 hard, and I'm like halfway through it, but you know, better late than never. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.